Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mike Levitsky, and today I got a new lesson for you. We're going to be doing a groove thing, a linear halftime shuffle groove. If you don't know what a halftime shuffle is, it's the groove, it's known as sometimes the Purdy shuffle or the Rosanna shuffle, because Jeff Porcaro, I think it was Jeff Porcaro, used it in Rosanna, and then Bernard Purdy used it in a couple of things. I think Babylon Sisters was the track. And John Bonham also used this groove in Fool in the Ring. So you can check out those grooves. But the typical halftime shuffle is something like this. Sorry. And the Jeff Porcaro one, I think is like something like that. I didn't play it very clean, but you get the idea. This is a linear version of that. So it's actually a little easier to play, I think, because you don't have to do this accent to grace note or ghost note change. Because in the regular halftime shuffle you have, and then you have different variations on the bass drum and things like that. In this one, your left hand only plays ghost notes and your right hand plays the accent. So here is my linear version of the halftime shuffle, in a really basic form. It sounds like this. I messed up. So that's what we're going to look at today, and then if we speed it up and we get it going really fast, it sounds like this. So it makes it kind of a cool fill at that tempo. Let's break this thing down into 4 triplet groupings. The first grouping is this. So it's just kick, snare, hat. So you can practice that over and over. And you want quiet, quiet, quiet left hand. You want the left hand on the snare to sound almost like a hi-hat. About the same volume. So, we have kick, snare, hat. And then we're going to go the opposite way. Hat, snare, kick. So you can practice both of those. And then you put them both together, which you're going to end up having to do a double stroke on the right hand. Okay? If you don't know how to do a double stroke, leave me a comment and ask me, and I'll do a lesson on how to do double strokes. Okay? At slow tempos. And how to, build speed up. So those are the first 2 triplets. So it'd be 1 and a 1 and, because these are 16-note triplets. Then the next triplet is going to be hard snare accent with the right hand, left ghost note, hat. So that's like that. So far we have 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a. And the last one is exactly like the second one, so those two are the same, and it's just going to be hat, snare, ghost with the left hand, kick. So the first half of the beat is this, and then the second half of the beat is this. So let's do the first half of the beat a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. I don't know why I'm saying 2, 3. It's not in 3. I guess I was feeling it in 3. All right, let's do the second half of the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1. Ready, go. Alright, now when you put it together, those two together, you end up with 2 kicks because the last stroke is a kick and the first stroke is a kick. So you get 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 1. And it comes back around. So let me play it for you slow. 1, 2, ready, go. A little faster. I just noticed when I was playing that I was accenting the second stroke. So I was going 1 and a 1. So kind of that second right hand. That kind of thing. Kind of gives it a different feel. You don't have to. Now. Okay. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. You can do some variations on it. You can do something like sorry. Let me use it in a long kind of phrase so you can hear where you might put a fill in if you're using it. 2, 3. Pretty weak, but you get the idea. I don't usually play this that slow. You can if you want to change up your halftime shuffle. So say you're playing, dang it. Transitions in and out of that thing weren't so good. I normally use this as like a fill, but a groove fill. So I might be playing something like something like that. Now, the inspiration for this came from, if you haven't, guessed it by now or figured it out by now, the inspiration came from that Steve Gadd groove, which is the 16th note version of this, which is... So I just took that and made a triplet version. See you next time.